So, your name's Husky, huh? Glad to meet ya. I'm Kuro. If you're gonna leave, then come with me.
Huh?
I'm saying, you're a fish, right, Husky? I'm a bird.
Yeah.
If you can swim, you can catch fish and stuff too, right? I bet they're tasty.
What's with him?
So, come with me. I've been looking for other plus Anima. I bet it'll be more fun with two of us.
Huh? Don't be stupid! You're gonna take my display spot in the circus.
Display?
Just so you know, I don't like to dress up like a girl. I just do it for the money.
Ah. So he was a boy.